Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can delete all emails at once in Outlook. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Outlook application on your Android device, then get logged in into your account. Here at the mail page of your Outlook, that is the home page of your Outlook, you can see many messages that you have in your Outlook. Now to delete this, first of all you need to tap and hold the message for a while. There you will see the select option. Here you need to tap on three dotted line on top right side of your screen. At the very end you can see the option of select all. You tap on it. And with that, all the mails in your Outlook will be selected. Now to delete this, you need to tap on the recycle bin icon or delete icon on top of the screen. You tap on it. And with that, all the conversation or all the inbox messages will be deleted and move towards the junk folder. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can delete all the emails of Outlook at once. Thank you.